but somehow I am not able to record my voice. So I am going to again recording the same problem, but in this I am not going to write the codes for the first thought principle and the optimal approach. I am just have a first thought principle, and I am explaining what you think and how you think in just a couple of minutes, because the previous video in which the sound is missing is about around 13 minutes. Uh, so I am going to conclude this video around 4 to 5 minutes. So just focus here. What the problem is saying now, we have to rotate an array by an n digit in a clockwise directions. Here the value of n is 5, so I am storing the 5 in an variable named last, and running for loop from the last to the first element. Because of that, because if I run from left to right, I may lose the value just because of overwriting conditions. That's why I am writing running loop from right to left, and this is the solution basically. Or in the what is the first thought principle? The first thought principle is create an vector of name temp and store all the values. First store at element, first store at index 0, ARR last, or you may do this after a running loop. So you may write this line at the end of the program, or in while writing main part. So you need to write two for loop. First for loop is for inserting the value uh, in temp, and the second for loop is for what for copying the temp value into an original, because this is an void type of function. So we don't need to return, we don't need to give any return value. That's why I am just recopy the value from temp to array. This is that. Let me check that if ARR or Z work here, undo function work here. Uh, I will show you that, but here not work. Okay, let's write once again what happened. I'm just going to reset the code here, reset code, and I'm going to write here first thought principle. I am creating a first vector of type int, name temp, and size of n. While creating this, I need to do what? I need to copy the last element. Is it? Uh, should I need to copy? I create a vector. Huh? No need to copy. Uh, temp 0 equal to um, ARR n minus 1, done. And if this done, I just need to run for loop for int I equal to 0 to I. I should be less than n. I think yes, less than n. And I plus plus. While loop is running, I need to put for temp is equal to 0, not temp from 1. Temp is equal to uh, from I to ARR of क्या डालना है हमको यहाँ पे um, I minus 1, means that the value of 0, I minus 1, and all set. And in last uh, uh, for int I equal to um, I equal to 0 to I less than and I plus plus, and in last I just need to copy ARR of I equal to temp of I, and all set. Oh, just run. Uh, I hope all done. Comparison done. Test case. This is the first thought principle. that any beginner thing. And to in this case, I have to uh, handle the space complexity that is here in this case big of n. To do this with a constant space, I just need to store the last element and uh, run a for loop in a reverse direction from right to left, and all set. That's done. I hope the voice get recorded.